Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you an easy way to set live Apple on your Chrome using a simple browser extension. So your boring new tab page will turn into a stylish animated background in just few clicks. So let's get started. Firstly, go to your browser, then visit Chrome Web Store. Here you will search for live wallpaper and you have like I want to sports car live wallpaper. Click on it. Now click on add to Chrome. Then click add extension. You will see it will be downloading. Also you can search for like here you will if this not working you can download another one like you can motion tabs and click on add to Chrome, then add extension. You will see it will be downloading. When you open new tab you will see the motion tab. The clouds are going back. If you want to change it you can firstly pin the motion tabs, then click on motion tabs. Whenever you open new tab it will give you a new live wallpaper. You will see, and that's it how you can set live wallpaper on Google Chrome easily. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Chrome tricks. Thanks for watching.